An example of a participial phrase with a participle verbal complement. The man holding the sign asked for your name. The participial phrase, holding the sign, describes which man. The word holding is the participle, and the word sign is the participle verbal complement. Holding what? Holding sign. An example of a gerund subject with a gerund verbal complement. Choosing the best candidate was difficult. What are we talking about? Choosing the best candidate. Choosing the best candidate is a gerund phrase subject with the word choosing functioning as the gerund subject and the word candidate functioning as a gerund verbal complement. Choosing what? Choosing candidate. An example of an infinitive subject with an infinitive verbal complement. To schedule an appointment for this month was not possible. What are we talking about? To schedule an appointment. To schedule an appointment is the infinitive phrase subject with the words to schedule functioning as the infinitive subject and the word appointment functioning as the infinitive verbal complement. To schedule what? To schedule appointment.